Many times we are frustrated in life, really don't know what to do, and we really get confused with the question that what is the worth of a life? Are we really worthy? Are we really having any importance in life? And if you are also thinking the same, then this video is for you. I'm sure after watching this video, you will never have this question that are you really having the worth in life? I'm going to tell you a small story of a young man who once had a similar question in his mind that whether he is really having any worth in life. Once he was very confused and he was really frustrated. He was feeling very dejected. So he went up to his grandfather and asked that, "Grandfather, do I really have any worth in life?" His grandfather smiled at him and said, "My boy, why you are asking this question?" He said, "No, I'm really feeling very down. Everywhere I go, everybody says that I don't have any worth." He said that, "Don't worry." He immediately opened his cupboard. He opened a small cloth, and from there he gave him a small shiny stone. He said, "I will answer your question, but before that you must go and find out the price of the stone from the market. But make sure that you are not going to sell that stone in market. You are simply going to know the worth of this stone and come back to me." So first that young man went with the stone to a fruit seller. He asked the fruit seller, "Do you know what is the worth of this stone?" The fruit seller at once looked at the stone and said, "I can give you a dozen apples in return of this stone. Will you give it to me?" The young man said, "No, I just wanted to know the price of this stone. My grandfather said not to sell it to anyone." He moved on to the next person. Then he went to a vegetable seller who was selling a lot of potatoes, onions, and other vegetables. He asked him, "Can you tell me what is the price of this stone?" He took the stone in his hand. He looked it from different corner. He said, "I can give you a sack of potato if you can give me this stone. Will you give it?" He said, "No, sorry, I cannot give it." Then he moved on to the next place. Now he saw there is one small shop where basically different kind of groceries are available. He went there. He offered him that, "Would you like to see this stone and tell me what is its price?" The grocery seller was busy. He looked at the stone and immediately said that what you can do is you can take away 2 crates of egg and 1 loaf of bread. I can give you that as the maximum. Then he again took the stone back and moved on. And finally he moved to a jeweler's shop. When he moved to a jeweler's shop, the jeweler took the stone in his hand. He looked it very carefully with his lens. Sometimes he took the lens closer and far, and this way he tried to understand the stone. And then he said, after a lot of observation, "I will give you 25,000 rupees for this shiny stone." The young boy was very surprised because first time someone has said such a huge price for that shining stone. He immediately said, "No, I just wanted to know the price of this stone because my grandfather has said that first I should confirm from him, then only I can sell it." He was very confused because he was the first person who gave him such a high price, and 25,000 was not a less amount. His mind was spinning. Then he wanted to further verify the price of that stone. So then he came across a place where the old stones were being collected. It was like a museum. He went to the museum. He asked the curator there, "Can you please tell me what is the price of this stone?" He took out the stone carefully from his bag and showed it to the curator. The curator placed the stone in a big table, and he went to the left, sometime to the right, and sometime to the bottom, and then he was trying to see the stone very carefully. After a lot of observation, he said, "Where you got this rare stone, my boy? It's a rare piece of diamond. You cannot even imagine what you have brought to me. Even if I sell all the costliest stone of my museum, still I cannot pay for that. The price of this stone is in billions and trillions. You cannot believe it is such a costly diamond you are having." The boy was really surprised. He was now speechless. He was simply not understanding that what to say and how to react. He didn't say anything. He quietly took the stone back and came back to his grandfather. His grandfather at once noticed the confusion in his eye and said, "What happened, my boy? You have come to know what is the price of the stone?" The boy nodded his head, saying, "Yes, grandfather," and he explained him all his experiences in the entire day in market. After listening to the boy, grandfather took the stone back and again wrapped it back into the cloth and put it back in his cupboard and said, "My boy, in the same way, the way you have got the experience today, you have come to know the worth of this stone. So you also have a worth which is unique. Your worth is also priceless. So when you go to finally the right place, you will come to know what is your price. So today you are thinking that you are not having any worth, but remember, when you have to go to the right place and you will find that what is your worth, you will realize what is your importance." So those who are feeling that you have no worth in life or you have no value in life, you should understand that you have still not been able to go to the right place so that you can understand what is your worth. So if you have not been able to realize what is your worth, that means you have still not gone to that perfect place. So keep on exploring. Who knows, tomorrow you can find your worth, but you never should think that you are useless or you are worthless, because everybody is priceless and you are also one of the worthiest person in this life. So everybody has his worth, but it is important how you realize your worth, and you never doubt about your uniqueness and about your worth. So when you are confident about your worth, you should keep on living positive and respecting yourself. That's all for today. I hope you have liked the story and you have got an important message of life, that we are all priceless and we should all know our uniqueness in life. Stay well, stay positive. See you once again for one more interesting and positive video.